Ever wished your Airtable could automatically pull in live data from the web without writing a single line of code? Well, now it can. Enter Data Fetcher, a no-code Airtable extension that connects your base to any JSON API. Whether it's a REST API, GraphQL, or a remote JSON file, Data Fetcher makes integration quick and easy. Step 1. Add Data Fetcher to Airtable. Start by installing the Data Fetcher extension. Click Tools, Extensions, Add Extension, and search for Data Fetcher, then click Add. You'll be asked once more if you want to add it, so click Add Extension one last time. Once added, sign up for a free account and we can move on to our next step. Step 2. Create a custom request. Click on Create Your First Request. Select Custom under Application. Enter the API URL you want to connect to. For instance, if you want to pull in some sample product data, you can use this test API. You can use the Parameters, Authorization, and Headers tabs to add any other settings your API requires. Click Save and Run to fetch the data. Step 3. Map JSON data to Airtable fields. Once the data loads, you'll see a preview of the API response. You can deselect them all and then choose which fields you want to import, like title, price, or description. Use the existing or new buttons to map to existing or new Airtable fields. For new fields, use the drop-down to choose the field type. Click Save and Run. Then you can choose to see the output table. Step 4. Schedule automatic updates. The final step is to set your data to refresh at intervals that suit your needs. To do this, we need to set up the authorization. Head over to the right-hand panel where you see your request and open it up so that you can see the full window. Under the Schedule section, click Add Authorize. Then click I understand, let's authorize. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to authorize the Airtable bases that Data Fetcher should access. To prevent access issues in the future, select Add All Resources and click Grant Access to complete the authorization. Once authorized, we can now customize how often you want this data updated, be it every 5 minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. Data Fetcher will handle the updates in the background, keeping your Airtable base current. Are you ready to supercharge your Airtable with live data? Try Data Fetcher for free today and transform your workflows. Check the link in the description to get started.